So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share a Threads profile on Threads. So once you're into your Threads account, you can either go to your own profile if you want to share that by going to the bottom right, pressing on your profile where it says share profile, beside edit profile and above replies, simply just press on share profile. Now if you want to share someone else's profile, super simple as well. I go to the search bar right here. I search up whatever profile you want to share. So if I wanted to search up Instagram, for example, I can search up Instagram. Once you're here and you want to share their profile, simply just go to the top bar right here and press on, there's a circle with 3 dots, press on that. Then you can just go ahead and press on copy link or press on share via, and then that's how you guys can share someone else's profile. So there you go. That's how to share a profile, share a Threads profile here on Threads. I hope this video helped.